you motherfuckers will be playing basketball in Pelican Bay when I get finished with you. Shoe program, nigga.
Stepped out the house, saw these hecklers guess. Mine's a mess, complex like a game of chess. Raps infect your chest, you bleed close to death. Announce the best, designed in the Mountain West. Flatline, cardiac arrest. A flash of cash, amass mad harpies. Asking sex, one dash writes with the blood of widows. You'll get it clear like Windows, yet he has more flavor than Skittles. iPhones, used for stupid habits. Break down your deoxyribonucleic acid. Need a breathing apparatus just to get past us. I took classes on dodging nerve gases. Tried to break mist, hit the accelerator. A hellish nature is what I put into my pen and paper. The ink I might as well use as my IV. I look to my left and see myself sitting beside me. Subs blare in my pad, still an embarrassing laugh is heard. It's Roger from American Dad. I hate it sometimes, people come in dumb lines. Wanna beat them like I'm playing the cadence from Drumline.
Step back when I'm removing my fitted pussy. You and your crew get bruised in a minute. Pussy who gonna get it? Pussy fist that fly. Hit them guys won't miss cause the kid is nice. Spitting nice, living in the hidden light. Giving the mic so I spit what I'm living in life. I be splitting the dike, bitch take the dick. I continue to say the most outrageous shit. I outplay the shit, I downgrade your bitch. Shove her face in your ass straight past the kiss. Sadomasochist, yeah that's my shit. Sick love and the drugs, yeah I take that shit. Then I take your kid and I teach him wrong. Do drugs till your lungs look like Cheech and Chong. Smoke weed and bones, drink liquid pills. Get lit till your shit on your chick's windshield, boy.
Yeah. Following our footsteps. Yeah, that's how we get down. Malfunction. 1Z. Get at us. OGS. Of the ground sounds. Mile high representative. Mountain West, baby.